ay allowance sa mga papa na padala kwarta. Dili na niabot sa point nga kaingon ko nga happy-go-lucky akong life. Why? Kaya niabot sa point nga ang akong allowance every month kasi clean po nagtrabaho na ako'y 13,000 a month in the age of 15 years old. At that time, kaingon ko na I can do all things by my own. Niabot ko sa point nga imagine ang teenager, 15 years old, may 13,000 a month. Ikaw daw, tsaka dako ng 13,000 sa kanong panahon, di ba? So, I'm into drugs, kanang pinakagrabe na yung mas okay. Kanang 15,000, can imagine na rin mo, doon lang ako nasa issue for 4 days. After that, so wala kang kwarta. Tinabot sa point nga, madiskarte na rin ko. Madiskarte na ko kung pinuha ko. I'm doing the relationship. Pwede na ako sa tingin. I've been through in the relationship with a guy. Yeah, with a guy to support my needs. Needs na ko sa condition. I've been into relationship with other mga babae. I remember, nabot ganito sa point na sa isang adlaw, ako'y kauban lahi-lahi. Ako to 4 to 5 persons in a day. Lalaki o babae na. Why guidance, no? Ako nag-discarte lang sa akin. Wala yung mga papamabandong yan. Ang pinaka-worst ako kinala ko sa bisyo na kayo. Siyempre na ko kwarta, kahit na ako yung mga kauban ako, isa palibot na ko, kahit lain na tao. Nakot din sa panahon, pwede na ay to sell it to drugs, na bigyan ng drugs.
Ako mama, ako ang angkol, ako sila sa balay, like na-instill ginas ako na huna nga. Ikaw, bata ka, maburos yung sa iyo, na tao. Edad ka nagsisaya sa buros na gid ka na. Ano bitaw? Ang ginanas ako na huna, maburos ka. Ano bitaw sa igat ilang pagtanaw buros ako. I don't know. So, moto nga regarding relationships, nakasulod gid ko kay kana. Naa magi-void akong sulod. Atong sa una, na magi-void. So, nagngita gid ko og mga tao sa gawas nga maka-fill in sa void. Minas emptiness nga akong gibati sa sulod.
So, this is what it is to be adored by many. People always say, I'm beautiful and sexy. Tungod silang paglantaw sa akwa, usahay, ma-overwhelm jud ko. Paglarga ni mama, abi na kog dili ko ngayon higugmaon sa mga tao sa akong palibot. I was the reason why my family was separated. And I hated myself for it. Again, people, they admire me. And the boys go crazy over me. I go from one relationship to another. Akong mga amiga nag-ingon nga, swerte daw kayo ko kay ang mga gwapo sa among eskwelahan. Mauyab jud na ako. Well, wala sila kabalo nga mo niyang rason nga nuguba kaayo ko. But no, I can't let them know this. You know what? I'll just keep this to myself. I'll just keep myself sexy and beautiful for everyone to see. Because all they see is perfection.
Finding myself fighting to avoid the mirror. I could use some help cause I don't like what I see here. Do I measure up? Am I good enough? What if I fail? What if I can't do it well? Will they walk away? Will you walk away? Do you think I'm worth it still? But when all I see are the flaws, you see perfection. Looking through this mess of a heart, you see perfection. perfection, perfection. I learn slowly, but you're teaching me to love myself, myself. Starting to believe you want me like nobody else. I'll never measure up, but you are my enough. And sometimes I fail, and sometimes I can't do it well. But if they walk away, you don't walk away. You tell me I'm worth it still. 'Cause when all I see are the flaws, you see perfection, perfection. Looking through this mess of a heart, you see perfection, perfection. Show me what's behind your eyes. Don't think I can trust in mine. When all I see are the flaws, you see perfection, perfection. You see perfection. You see perfection. And when all I see are the flaws, you see perfection, perfection. Looking through this mess of a heart, you see perfection, perfection. Show me what's behind your eyes. I don't think I can trust in mine. When all I see are the flaws, you see perfection, perfection. You see perfection.